front header is...
Yeah, it's generic, unfortunately.
Okay, so one right.
Yeah, but yes, I think but I want to try to open the door because we started inside. But yes.
Yeah. To get the view of the door, of course.
Yeah.
Oh, they put the bed generic front gate.
Yeah, I already saved it. It's close.
So today is the 13th of June 2023. We have Brådgatan 29 here in Norrköping, Sweden. The number is 79077, but unfortunately almost all of them in this quarter are badly demolished.
Yeah.
But they still a few are original.
Yeah.
I also filmed one more here. We have filmed two more, and I filmed one of those.
Yeah.
And that was still original, almost.
Yeah. Inspected by Kone, maintained by Norrköping.
And this was built in 1985. It's only 35 years old in 2020.
Yeah.
And there are 7 floors here. Only the green lights would have been here.
Yeah. That's